Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park level, engine off, handbrake on, and wait 5–10 minutes for heat to drop so you can work safely. Put on gloves and remove large debris from around the airbox. This prevents dirt falling in. Undo the clips or screws on the airbox. Use a screwdriver or 10 mm socket because opening it gives you direct access to the old filter. Once the cover is loose, lift carefully and set screws aside so nothing gets lost. You now remove the old filter. Lift it straight up to avoid dumping dirt into the intake. Inspect it. If you see oil, heavy dirt packing, or rips, replacement is required because these restrict airflow and hurt fuel economy. Compare the old unit to the new one to confirm orientation and seals match. Clean the airbox interior with a rag or vacuum loose debris. This prevents premature clogging. Make sure the new filter seats snugly, with its seal fully flat before closing the cover. You finish by replacing the cover and fastening clips or screws evenly so the airbox is airtight. This keeps unfiltered air out. Start the engine and listen for whistling or sucking noises. A smooth idle and stronger throttle response on a short drive show success. If a check engine light appears, stop, reseat the filter and any disconnected connectors, and recheck the seal because a misfit can trigger sensors. If issues persist, scan code.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.